I'm going to help my parents out by rolling out the pizza dough. But you could roll out cookie dough or pizza dough like me. The first thing I need to do is wash my hands. Make sure to get plenty of soap because we will be dealing with food. Then I'll dry them. I have a rolling pin. I'm going to start in the middle and gently roll out my pizza dough. I need to turn my surface a little bit just so I can roll out all the sides. You might need to add a little bit more flour if it's too watery. So now I can just sprinkle a little bit on top. Not too much though. And then keep rolling. Since I'm making pizza, I want to try to make it to go to the end of my base so that it's a perfect circle. Now I'm ready to start making my pizza. Good job!